I am here with my good friend Omar from OLCustomCarpentry. Omar, I am quite confident, is one of, if not the best in the game. Does a lot of work here in Redwood, as well as Bel Air, and he's not afraid of the big boy stuff. Big boy stuff, what are we talking about? How tall are these?
They're almost 9 foot tall.
And they are 2¼ inch thick doors. And how much do you think they weigh on that?
I think it weighs like 500 pounds.
500 pounds.
Yeah.
So they're hanging on our 1100 pound M10 carriages with a heavy duty track. And Omar has done a custom design collection system for this. And he's actually done a very slick detail at the top because you cannot see the tracks at all. It creates a nice room divider between the living room and the kitchen. They go back into their pocket. If you come and have a look at the finished detail up here, you'll see you cannot see the tracks. So how have you done this up here, Omar?
We just create some new parts inside, and then we just come up with the jam, and then we just come up with the drywall and just make a little notch, and then we go into the jam. So that way we just see the 3/4 reveal.
Yeah.
It's
Super slick. And if you have a look at all of the clearances, it's all super tight. To the point where there's you cannot see the grooves in the bottom of the door. So Omar has hidden everything, and it's come out really, really slick. So if you want the best, this is your man. All right.
Thank you.
Thank you. Cheers.